Topic 1. The recent headlines indicate a robust job market that has exceeded expectations, potentially influencing the Federal Reserve's monetary policy amidst concerns about inflation. The Federal Reserve lowered interest rates by zero point 0.5 percentage points last month to strengthen the job market. However, recent strong employment data has led some analysts to question the necessity of this move. Meanwhile, misinformation surrounding the federal government's response to Hurricane Helen is spreading on social media, hindering recovery efforts. The U.S. job market remains strong, raising questions about the pace of inflation reduction. In September, 254,000 jobs were added, and the unemployment rate slightly decreased to 4.1%. This strong labor market data may refocus the Fed's attention on inflation mitigation. Topic 2. Efforts to address the aftermath of Helene are being undermined by the spread of misinformation and conspiracy theories, complicating relief activities. After Hurricane Helene struck the southeastern U.S., misinformation and conspiracy theories have spread in Asheville, North Carolina, causing confusion and anxiety. Helene, which made landfall about a week ago, resulted in at least 229 fatalities. Many areas are without power and cell service, making it difficult to access information, leading to unnecessary evacuations. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and North Carolina's Department of Public Safety are updating web pages to correct misinformation. The U.S. government is ramping up relief efforts in affected areas, with Vice President Kamala Harris visiting the region. Concerns are growing among disaster experts as misinformation flourishes on social media platforms like X, which have reduced efforts to provide reliable information during disasters. Topic 3. Vietnam is experiencing its highest quarterly growth in 2 years, driven by strong exports and investment, indicating a robust economic recovery and potential for increased foreign investment. Vietnam reported its strongest economic growth in 2 years in the third quarter of 2021. This growth is attributed to strong exports, industrial production, and increasing foreign investment, offsetting the impact of a major typhoon in the region last month. The GDP grew by 7.4% year-on-year, surpassing the 7.09% growth rate of the previous quarter. Exports in September increased by 10.7%, and industrial production rose by 10.8%. In the first 9 months of the year, foreign investment inflows reached $17.3 billion, an 8.9% increase from the previous year. Vietnam aims for a GDP growth rate between 6% and 6.5% this year, while keeping inflation below 4.5%. Consumer prices rose by 2.63% year-on-year in September, and retail sales increased by 7.6%. The trade surplus stood at $20.79 billion, with exports up 15.4% and imports up 17.3%. The IMF and ADB forecast Vietnam's GDP growth at 6.1% and 6% respectively, but warn that geopolitical tensions and uncertainties could harm external demand, a key growth driver for Vietnam. Topic 4. Elon Musk has made headlines by appearing at a Trump rally, signaling a potential shift in his political engagement and framing the election in stark terms. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, publicly supported Donald Trump at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, stating that the upcoming presidential election is crucial for preserving democracy in America. Musk, who has formed a super PAC in support of Trump, warned that this could be the last election if Trump does not win. He expressed alignment with Trump's ideology, referring to himself as Dark MAGA. Musk and Trump are showing a growing alliance, with Musk being promised a role in a government efficiency commission if Trump wins. At the rally, Musk praised Trump as a defender of free speech and criticized Democratic policies. The event was significant as it took place at the site of a previous assassination attempt on Trump. Topic 5. The UK's Labour Party is positioning itself as a force for thoughtful progress and social equity in the UK.